Hey guys, this is Tech Pro here. Today I have with me the i-BLASON Arrows Black case for the iPhone XS Max. This has a drop protection up to a military standard of 810 516.6 and it costs 4,000 rupees in India, and it says i-BLASON LLC over here. So let's go ahead and open the case. Just slides out. So I'll just take it out of this plastic cover, and you get the installation guide. It shows you how to install the case onto your iPhone XS Max. This case comes in two parts, the top and the bottom part, and you also get this thank you card along with the case. So over here it says separating front casing from rear case, which is very bad English. So it basically tells you to separate the front case from the rear case. You just slide your finger inside, then open it, and then I'll just take this foam cutout out and then remove the plastic cover. But first, you need to put your iPhone XS Max inside. So you just put the phone inside on one side like this, and then press down, and then do the same for the other side as well. Press all around the corners to make sure it's tight, and then you need to get the rear part of the case, and then put it down. And then repeat the same. Put it inside on one corner, and then go all around it, all around the case, pressing it in everywhere. So I'll just remove this screen film. So just press all around the corners of the phone, as it takes some time to lock the case in properly. So it is pretty hard to put this case on. It's not hard, but it is time consuming. So you just go all around the edges and then press it in. Okay, so this does take quite a lot of time. So you just need to take your own time and then make sure that the case is fit properly. So yeah, I think that's it, it's done. I'll just remove this clear film on the back of the case, and this is the case itself. Looks pretty good. There's a camera cutout. The camera sits flush with the case, so it's not going to get damaged. The case is pretty thin and light. It does not add much weight to the phone. And then the cutout for the camera and Face ID tech is very good. They're well cut out. It's made to measure. It's a good case. Then it doesn't add too much bulk, so I'll just remove this sticker. It's getting in the way. And then let's look at the lightning port. So yeah, it is solidly built. Then it's clear at the back, so you can show off that gold finish. As I said, let's look at the lightning port. It has a cover for the lightning port and the mute switch. So you get full protection all over, so no debris gets in. So overall it's a good case. But I recommend that you remove the front screen protector and install a glass one of your own, as it tends to attract too many smudges and scratches. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Tech Pro if you found this video to be helpful.